We have a gorgeous 2022 Barletta 23-foot Lusso Tri-Toon. Does have the underskin package, doggy deck view door. Really nice beefy rails on this. Quality is amazing. Look at the seats, all the stitching, the material. The vinyl is really soft. Does have armrests that fold down. Seaweed flooring. Anchor storage in the front. Does have huge in-floor storage in that center tune. Look at all the leg room. Has a raised helm, tons of leg room, glove box, garbage can. There's those armrests I told you about. There's also cell phone chargers by the seats. Table that folds down. Dual captain's chair. Cell phone holder over there, cup holders, cell phone charger. Two more loungers in the back, lounger benches, whatever you want to call them. Armrests for those two, cell phone chargers, cup holders. Nice stainless gate. Ski locker, center fuel fill so you could get fuel at either side. Really nice wide stainless ladder. Goes 4 steps deep into the water. Fender holders. Yeti cooler storage. Do have speakers back here in case you're in the water. You got to be able to hear the music. Extended deck. Really a beautiful boat. Power bimini top. Does come with the full cover. The cover on this is really neat. It has clips, so you just clip it all the way around instead of messing with the snaps. Very nice helm, tilt steering. Audison stereo system, Simrad stereo, rated for 14 passengers. The Lussos are top of the line, beautiful pontoons, very well made. 26-inch tunes, which is an inch above the standard 25. Gorgeous boat. Don't wait on this one.